Financial freedom is available to those who learn about it and work for it. Robert Kiyosaki. Are you tired of living from paycheck to paycheck, always feeling stressed about money? Do you ever wonder how some people manage to break free from financial worries? And who can help us understand the secrets to getting rich? Meet Robert Kiyosaki, a guy who knows a lot about making money. His name has become synonymous with financial wisdom and empowerment. With a net worth exceeding $100 million, Kiyosaki's journey from financial struggle to success is nothing short of inspirational. His journey from financial struggle to success, documented in his seminal work Rich Dad Poor Dad, has inspired millions worldwide to rethink their approach to money. At the core of Kiyosaki's teachings lies the concept of financial freedom, the ability to live life on one's own terms without being bound by financial constraints. Unlike traditional education, which often overlooks essential financial literacy skills, Kiyosaki advocates for a different path to wealth accumulation, one rooted in financial education, entrepreneurship, and investing. His book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, is super famous. It teaches us how to think differently about money and become rich. Robert believes in something called financial freedom. That means being able to live life without worrying about money all the time. But to get there, we need to change how we think about money, learn about it, and take some risks. In his book, Robert shares lots of smart ideas about money. He says we need to learn about money, make it work for us, and not be afraid to take chances. So, if you're tired of stressing about money and want to start living the good life, listen to what Robert Kiyosaki has to say. He's got some great advice to help you become financially free. The single most powerful asset we all have is our mind. If it is trained well, it can create enormous wealth in what seems to be an instant. Workers work hard enough to not be fired, and owners pay just enough so that workers won't quit. The more a person seeks security, the more that person gives up control over his life. The primary difference between a rich person and a poor person is how they manage fear. The rich focus on their asset columns while everyone else focuses on their income statements. The rich buy assets. The poor only have expenses. The middle class buys liabilities they think are assets. If you want to be rich, you need to develop your vision. You must be standing on the edge of time gazing into the future. Don't let the fear of losing be greater than the excitement of winning. It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for. The poor and the middle class work for money. The rich have money work for them. The moment you make passive income and portfolio income a part of your life will change. If you're the kind of person who has no guts, you just give up every time life pushes you. The most successful people in life are the ones who ask questions. They're always learning. They're always growing. They're always pushing. The only difference between a rich person and poor person is how they use their time. Sight is what you see with your eyes, vision is what you see with your mind. Robert Kiyosaki's quotes are like treasure maps for making money. He says our minds are super powerful and can help us get really rich if we train them well. He also talks about how workers and bosses see money differently. Workers focus on keeping their jobs, while bosses think about making money work for them. Kiyosaki warns that seeking too much security can hold us back from taking control of our lives. He believes that managing fear is key to being rich. He says rich people focus on building wealth, not just earning money. They buy things that make them richer, while others spend on things that don't help them grow financially. Kiyosaki also thinks having big dreams and planning for the future are crucial for success. He encourages us not to let fear stop us from chasing our dreams. Kiyosaki says learning about money and finding ways to earn without working all the time can change our lives. He believes in always asking questions, learning, and growing. According to him, how we use our time and how we see the world can make all the difference in becoming rich. In closing, remember that financial freedom is not just a destination, it's a journey. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to challenge the status quo. As Robert Kiyosaki famously said, the size of your success is measured by the strength of your desire, the size of your dream, and how you handle disappointment along the way. So dare to dream big, arm yourself with knowledge, and embark on the path to financial freedom with unwavering determination. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us on this quest for wisdom and self-mastery.